Train to your full potential with the SF-B1876 Belt Drive Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. Power through the most intense workout safely when you clip in or slip into the SPD-compatible caged pedals. Optimize your riding position and performance when using the thick 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars with multi-grip functionality. With a quick twist of the dial, increase or decrease the magnetic tension instantly. A near-silent, smooth belt drive paired with the 39.5-pound flywheel create a comfortable, quiet environment. Push yourself to new limits and track your heart rate with the easy-to-reach pulse sensors. The large surface tablet holder makes it easy to enjoy all your favorite media during your longer workouts. Equipped with a performance monitor, this exercise bike will help beginner and experienced riders track critical training variables, including cadence and pulse rate. When you're ready to call it quits, push down on the dial to stop the bike. Cool down with the water bottle holder, then move the bike out of the way with the transportation wheels. Ride confidently with the SF-B1876 Belt Drive Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike.